Our rescue bird wants to fly away from its box. It closed its eye back up. It's still healing from probably being hit by a vehicle. If you put your hand above it, it'll fly up on it because it wants to get higher. At least it did when it was in the box. Can't really see from this side of its head though. I think it's resting from trying to get up. It's quite a ways for it. Chickens gave up. I think it's just resting. It's probably not safe for it to be out tonight. Maybe tomorrow I'll just put it in a tree and let it go on its own.
Come on, get in.
It's opening its eye.